Hi guys and welcome back. If you want to enable a video call effects in your Samsung smartphone and you don't know how to do it, watch this video till the end and you will find out. So to begin with, the first thing you need to do is to tap on the setting icon from your Samsung smartphone. Once you do so, you will access to the settings, scroll down where you will find advanced features. You need to tap on advanced features. From there, you will find video call effects. As you can see, it is enabled. If it is disabled, all you need to do is to just enable it, then tap on it and it will bring you here. And here, as you can see, background color, you can choose any background color. If you want to choose any background image, you can also select from here. You can just simply tap on the plus sign and from here you can select any picture that you want to select from here. From your gallery, suppose I select this one and then tap on done. So as you can see, it will be added here. And next time when you call a video call on these available application, as you can see, you will find the list here. I don't have Facebook Messenger installed here, otherwise you would have seen here as well. So you will find all the list of the application that you're using on your Samsung smartphone here, and you can use these image or these color backgrounds when you have a video call on that particular application on your Samsung device. So guys, this is all it takes to enable video call effects in your Samsung smartphone. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe. I will see you again in the next video. Till then, take care.